Saying these wrong things will get you disqualified when you're trying to find the best contractors to work on your home. 1. You come off as somebody who's looking just for a bit. This is something that a good contractor runs into all the time. It's people just shopping around. So answering people like this takes a lot of time out of their day and are often fruitless. So good contractors do not spend time answering these people. Instead, prices will be published on the website, or in my case, a detailed video with a full price breakdown so that people can look at these on their own time. If somebody still reaches out without having to spend the time to look at these resources, that means they're not committed at all and they're just a tire kicker, which is another reason to disqualify them. Second is people asking for discounts. When you're dealing with manual labor, it's very different than a standardized product that's coming out from a factory, where you can compare the price and just shop on there. When it comes down to labor, everybody does it just a little bit differently. So the highest quality contractors are literally offering a different product than cheaper contractor. So if you're just calling about and say, hey, can I get a bid on this project? Then that immediately tells the contractor you're not caring, you're not thinking about the quality behind the work, and you're only thinking about the price. Calling around this way will only attract you the lowest bids because they know they will win in a competition like this. And if somebody is charging the rock bottom price, that means they're not going to be the best. Finally, is if you want something small, fast, and done right away. This is typically somebody who's saying, hey, I have this one small thing that will only take 2 days. In reality, it takes more like 5. And I want it done yesterday. You come right away and give me a quote. Good contractors are always busy. We have so many things going on that it takes a wait to get them. When somebody approaches me saying if I can start something yesterday or next week, it shows that they have no concept of how a good contractor operates, and there's no point even educating them any further. Maybe if they want to consume more of my media, then they will come to educate themselves. But it's fruitless for me to tell them, hey, sorry, we're usually booked out 1 to 2 months in advance and I just can't come. These people will just go somewhere else. It's like if somebody is going into McDonald's asking for a Happy Meal and they only have $5, they walked into a Michelin-star restaurant. There's no point for the restaurant to even entertain these people. I hope this video has been helpful in teaching you how to talk to a high-quality contractor. It is important to know how to talk to them so that you are not disqualified in the first phone call stages when you're talking to a high-quality contractor to work on your personal forever home.